What's good, fam? Today we back in the stew because it's time to discuss 10 fashion trends that died last year and some trends that might take over. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like. Let's see if we can get this shit to 100 likes for a part 2. Y'all might get the squirrel to start dancing if we hit 100 likes. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. The first trend that's dead off the rip is the extendo pants, bro. The extendo clip pants that are like fucking 9 feet long. That ass the Yao Ming pants. Get them out of here, bro. Them shits is finished. First of all, you gonna dead ass be doing this to the pants for like 5 minutes straight. This is not a vibe, bro. What if you gotta pee or you about to get some action? You like, hold on. Let me take my Yao Ming pants off. Like, nah. These shits are dead, bro. Get them out of here, please. If y'all still rocking the extendo clip pants, you don't have to say nothing. For me, please don't resurrect these shits. It's over. Now, since we're on the theme of pants, we might as well talk about the fact that skinny jeans are done, bro. It's over. Rest in peace. Teach me how to Dougie head ass. It's done. Like, it's over. These days, we want like some straight fit, slim fit pants at the most. Fashion trends come and go. You wear what you like. If that's what you like, then hey, it's what you like. Skinny jeans are almost like super skinnies were back in the day where it hugs your leg a little too much. You feel me? Can't even breathe.
It's not okay though. It's not.
This next one is ridiculous, bro. The scuba diver toe glove joints. I don't know when they came in and or why they came in, but they were here, bro. They were definitely here. People were buying the fucking Balenciaga toe gloves and shit. They had the little heel at the back. People called this shit stylish with like some baggy ass pants on, thinking they're the shit. But bro, listen, if you're not in the beach, which I'm not gonna be because there's too much shit going on in that water, then don't wear these shits. Like, just stop, please, bro. Balenciaga glove for the toe is not happening. Like, we left those back in 2022 and hopefully they don't come back. Just let them shits be, bro. Leave a like if y'all agree. As far as footwear that I think are gonna stay popular this year, I would say mules, clogs, chunky loafers are gonna stay popular. They just have more characteristics to it than a toe glove, you feel me? Today I saw that Birkenstock is collabing with Fear of God to drop like these Bostons that actually look pretty fire. Stussy did a collab on them. Rick Owen did a collab on them. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot of people doing different clogs. From Salehi with Crocs, he's killing it too. There's a lot of different ones. So honestly, you could pick and choose these days. I've been low-key getting into the chunky loafer vibes as well. I love the way that they add like that aggressive feel to your foot. Not like those Dominican ass loafers, you feel me? The plain landed joints.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
More so like an aggressive, almost like a Doc Martin type of loafer. I feel like it's in and it's not gonna go nowhere. The next trend that I feel like is gonna be more mainstream this year is unique camo patterns. I feel like we typically get the military camos, but I've noticed a lot of brands playing with the camo pattern in itself, switching some things around. Not the babe camo, you feel me? That's typical as well. I'm talking about Stussy. They actually did a pretty nice jacket. There's also some low-key brands that have been doing some really good iterations to the camo pattern. I might even have to pick up a little canvas jacket myself because they're looking kind of fire. There's been some fleece camo action too. Definitely a must this year. This next one might be an unpopular opinion, so please don't panic. The essential vibes might be out, bro. It's done. Like, so many brands are literally coming out with a blank ass hoodie that has nothing to it, calling it luxury. Like, I just don't get it, bro. Add something to it. I understand a brand like Essentials, for example, doing it because they're literally called Essentials, keep it minimal. But when you have 30 plus brands doing the same exact shit, it's like, alright, bro, can y'all start giving me a little more? That's why I feel like it's great to have a balance in your brand. Some pieces that have graphics, some that don't, some that have a little bit of graphics, but it can't just all be a gray ass hoodie and calling it a brand, if you get what I'm saying. So my opinion is the essential vibes might low-key slow down a little bit and we might start seeing some brands playing with graphics a little bit differently that we've seen in the past. Shout out to One Nori because I'm coming with my brand real shortly and I'm gonna have some graphics on there. It's only but right. I feel like it builds your brand identity as well. If I want to get something like that, I could go to them. A lot of people creating brands with blanks is getting kind of old. This next one is out of here, bro. Balenciaga's done. They did it to themselves. Once Ye left, their whole situation started going bitter, especially with their little campaign action. I honestly don't know if they're gonna survive this year, and if they do, it's simply because celebrities are still pushing Balenciaga like crazy, which kind of goes to show what they're standing with. At the end of the day, if Balenci isn't supporting the kids and celebrities are supporting Balenci, they ain't fucking with us like that, bro. But yeah, Balenciaga is done. 2023, I think it's over personally. I also feel like idolizing celebrities is done this year, bro. We clearly see what they're up to. It's more and more in our face every day that they're literally aligned to the other side. And I feel like we shouldn't idolize them. We should low-key idolize people with positive intentions, positive vibes. That's what we going for all 2023. Let's cut that shit out, bro. The music might be cool, whatever, but idolizing people, cut that shit out. I know Arc'teryx boys might get me for this one, so I'ma zip my hoodie up. Listen, don't come for me, Gorpcore. I'm just trying to let y'all know we need a little update, bro. We need a little update in the fashion, because literally all we've been getting is Arc'teryx jackets and beanies out the wazoo. Could we get something different, a new brand to add some flavor to it? Add a unique camo pattern to it, bro. Give me something different. I feel like it's been the same shit kind of for a couple years, and I wish that someone new would come in, just say, yo, let's switch this up a little bit. You get what I'm saying? I'm not saying it's dead, obviously. Gorpcore will live on because there's a lot of people that go hiking. It's useful, bro. It's definitely useful. So I see why it became a thing, and I see why it will stay a thing. But yo, update this shit a little bit, bro. Change it up a little bit. Yeah. Let me know if y'all agree in the comments. And while y'all down there, let's get this video to 100+ likes for a part 2. Y'all might get the squirrel to start dancing. I'm trying to tell you. This next trend is crazy, bro. I don't know who made it popular and why it stayed popular for so long, but the Rick Owen tight ass jeans with the Kiss heels, that shit gotta go yesterday, bro. Like, get that shit out of here, bro. Who is still wearing Rick Owen heels, bro? Don't even try to hide it. If you freaking that shit on your downtime, comment down below, because honestly, bro, I'm ashamed. I know you trying to step out of your comfort zone and shit, and you trying to try different things, you know? But some heels, my G? You really out here freaking the heels. Don't try to hide it either with the big ass pants. And some people don't try to hide it with the tight ass leather pants too. Vamp life is over, bro. Whole Lot of Red came out like 2 years ago. That man's is on a whole nother situation right now. Makeup and all that. So just relax. Just let it go. Sell them on Grailed, you feel me? Put them for like $5. Yo, donate them shits. There's a drag queen somewhere in Cali that needs those. You don't need them. Please, bro, choose better choices. I'd rather you wear Timbs for the rest of your life before you freak these heels right here. Rick Owens is kind of getting old, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the only thing that won't ever get old is like the Ramones, the Geo baskets, and the futuristic vibe pieces that Rick comes out with. But all that vamp life, hardcore, Whole Lot of Red, Playboy Cardi vibes is done. Like, it's over, bro. Let's leave that shit in 2022 for real. We're gonna end this video off with the Jordan 4. This was debatably the most popular model for Jordan last year. I feel like these been popular for a couple years now, and Jordan brand is probably gonna start shifting towards another sneaker, maybe the Jordan 3. We're getting the reimagines, and it might just get more people's attention on the Jordan 3. I feel like this is an iconic model though, so it will never really go out of style, but it might just go out of the mainstream eye like the Jordan 1 did. It'll just make it easier for us to get them, so I'm not even tripping. Let me know if y'all agree in the comments. But in the part 2 of this video, I'm going to discuss 10 trends that might not survive 2023. This being one of them. I don't know if it's still going to continue after this year. People might get tired of it, bro. That's how shit goes. Things come in, things go out. The more you get something, the less you'll end up liking it long term. So I don't know if these are going to survive this year. This might make the list on part 2. But for now, they're still rocking, bro. Jordan 4s will always be iconic. Just because I'm saying they might not be as popular doesn't mean stop collecting rocking them. I love these because I like them, not because they're popular or mainstream. At the end of the day, you should rock whatever you like to wear. Shit, if you got a fit that has everything I mentioned on this list and you like that shit, fuck it, bro. That's all that matters. But I just thought I'd give y'all my list of trends that I feel like died last year, some that might be coming this year, and soon I'm gonna give y'all trends that might not survive this year. But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and let me know what type of content you would like to see in the comments as well. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Are Jordan 4s gonna survive 2023? I don't know.